Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great and I welcome you to this session. This session is a very high demand session. ये जो topic है वो ऐसा topic है जो जितने भी cat takers हैं उनके मन में चलता होता है कि हमारा academic performance इतना अच्छा नहीं रहा है. Can we still give cat and can we still expect a call from the IIM? और work experience नहीं है हमारे पास, हम लोग freshers हैं, तो हमारा कितना chance है top IIMs में to make it to the top IIMs. What are the different criteria that is considered? What is the process? क्या सब IIMs का एक uniform process है या different IIMs have different processes, and there are a lot of myths also surrounding the CAT examination. Ki even if you get a 99.999 percentile in the CAT examination, you may still not get a call from the IIM, or you have to have work experience, or freshers को unfair advantage unfair है freshers के लिए काफी. So there are a lot of such myths, there are a lot of such ideas, preconceptions, misconceptions surrounding the CAT examination. So guys, please clear your head. Okay, you might have heard your seniors say something, you might have heard your relatives say something, your friends say something, and there's an overload of information on the internet as well as to what is the IIM selection criteria. So just to simplify it for all of you guys, I have come up with this particular video, the IIM selection criteria, जिसमें मैं आपको एक snapshot दूंगी of what are the various factors which are considered by the IIMs and what is their process. Okay, so guys, we're not going to get into the nitty-gritty of everything. This video is all you need to know as a student to start your preparation. ठीक है, ताकि आप अपना head clear कर ले, ideas clear रखें, and you can start off with your preparation knowing what are the factors that you have to work on. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So IIM selection criteria, usse pehle guys, let all the CAT 2025 takers, OMET takers, please download the app as soon as possible. हमको अपना preparation शुरू करना है at God's speed now. Okay, it's never too early to start your CAT preparation. So guys, please download the app, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get started. So if I were to simplify it, the IIM selection criteria or the IIM selection process can be divided into two stages. Okay, so you have stage 1 and you have stage 2. Stage 1 में आपका CAT academic background work experience मैंने यहाँ पे डाला है, और stage 2 में GWPI process डाला है. So what is all of this and what importance does it hold? Okay, now शॉर्टलिस्टिंग जो होती है कैंडिडेट्स की स्टेज 1 पे, ओके, स्टेज 1 पे कैंडिडेट्स आर शॉर्टलिस्टेड बेस्ड ऑन देयर कैट स्कोर, बेस्ड ऑन देयर एकेडमिक प्रोफाइल एंड देयर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. दिस इज स्टेज 1. सो स्टेज 1 कैट स्कोर, एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे कैंडिडेट्स शॉर्टलिस्ट होते हैं. Once they are shortlisted, then those shortlisted candidates proceed to stage 2, wherein they undergo the GWPI process. Now you will ask me, ma'am, why have you written GWPI process? Isn't it GDPI process? So earlier guys, you had GDPI. GD matlab group discussion and PI means your personal interview, your personal interaction. But now a lot of IIMs have started with something which is called as the written ability test, and they have done away with the GD process altogether and they have adopted the written ability test process. So इसीलिए G group discussion, W written ability test, and PI is your personal interview. So when you're preparing for stage 2, you've received a call, you've been shortlisted, you have to prepare for group discussion, written ability test and personal interview. And a lot of IIMs, especially the 10 newer IIMs, they have a common WAT-PI process. Okay, so एक common selection process होता है, जैसे आप IIM जम्मू, सिरमौर, काशीपुर, etc. So a lot of these 10 newer IIMs, they conduct a common WAT and PI process. It's the responsibility of each IIM out of these 10 new IIMs every year to conduct it, and उसके basis पे shortlist होता है. Now you will ask me, ma'am, academic background मेरा इतना strong नहीं है और I do not have work experience, then तो stage 1 में I will not be shortlisted. No, the weightage which is given to the CAT score, academic background and work experience is not equal. Different IIMs have different weightages, and every year also that changes. So different IIMs give different weightages to the CAT score, academic background and work experience. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So stage 1, based on your profile, you are shortlisted. Then you go to stage 2 where you have to undergo the GWPI process and then you get a call और आपका selection हो जाता है. Okay, now let's understand the weightage which is given and let's debunk some common myths कि अगर आप fresher हो तो आपको top IIM से call नहीं आ सकता, आपका academic score कम है तो आपको top IIM से call नहीं आ सकता, etc. इन सबको थोड़ा understand करते हैं. So I'm going to divide these factors into two parts. One is controllables and the other is non-controllables. So why do I call this controllables? Because ये अभी भी आपके हाथ में है. Okay? आप अभी इसके बारे में कुछ कर सकते हो. You can work on it. You can improve it. You can start preparing and you can get better at it. And you can make sure that this is in your control and you do well in this part. So what are those? CAT abhi bhi baki hai. CAT 2025 is yet to come. So that performance is under your control now. Your written ability test performance, your GDPI performance. Okay, I'm going to write this as your GD. Okay, your group discussion performance, your WAT performance, your PI performance is still under your control. You can work on it. Non-controllable, अब academic, आप जाके अपने 10th के marks तो change नहीं कर सकते हो. आप जाके अपने 12th के marks, आपका degree के marks, you know, कुछ हद तक अगर आप final year में हो तो थोड़ा बहुत improvement आ सकता है, वरना आप change नहीं कर सकते हो. Work experience भी अब आप जाकर, you know, you cannot do much about it. Let's say your profile is done, you're set कि ठीक है, this year I want to give CAT and I want to get into the college and I don't want to work further or I don't. So these are non-controllables, gender, etc. So controllables, matlab this is still in our hand and you still have a good chance. So hope is strong. This is what's happened is happened. And now let's see. So controllables and non-controllables के क्या weightages है? So what is the weightage given to the CAT score, which is a major controllable? You can still work on it. अगर आप देखो, there are 11 IIMs which give 100% weightage to your CAT score. That means even if you get a solid CAT score and let's say your academic profile is not that great, you just meet the cutoffs. You have to meet the cutoffs, but ठीक है, आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते fail हुआ वो backs है काफी and all of that, and you have to meet the cutoffs still. So 11 IIMs give 100% weightage to the CAT score. 60 to 80% weightage, 2 IIMs, और वो भी कौन से? Ahmedabad and Lucknow. IIM Ahmedabad and Lucknow gives 60 to 80%. Why have I written 60 to 80? Because year on year it changes, okay? And उनका criteria काफी dynamic होता है, but you can put it in the bracket of 60 to 80. So even if you get a good CAT score, you still, you know, and let's say your other factors are not that great, you still have a chance of getting into the Blackies, Ahmedabad and Lucknow. 40 to 60% weightage is given by Bangalore, Calcutta, 𝐘𝐲 and 5, you know, totally 5 IIMs. So अगर आप इस chart को अच्छे से study करो, so you can say that 13 IIMs give at least 60% weightage to the CAT score, which is great. Okay, so this, ये मैंने क्यों डाला है? This I have put to show that CAT score is very, very important. And if you work on it, you can still get into IIMs. Okay. Now, what is the weightage to academic profile? My academic profile is not that good, but I'll meet the cutoffs. 0% weightage. They don't even consider your academic profile, these 4 IIMs. That's Calcutta, 𝐘𝐲, Shillong and Rohtak. ठीक है? तो आपका academic profile, आपको cutoffs meet करना पड़ेगा. बाकी ठीक है, इतना नहीं weightage देंगे, scores नहीं allot करेंगे उसको. Only 5 to 15% weightage is given by Ahmedabad, Lucknow, and these other totally 12 IIMs. So if you look at this slide also, you will understand that 16 IIMs give less than 15% weightage to your academic profile. Okay, which again shows that those who have not got really great marks in their 10th, 12th and degree वगैरह, आप still in IIMs में पढ़ सकते हो या शॉर्टलिस्ट हो सकते हो अगर आपका कैट स्कोर अच्छा है, अगर आपका GWPI परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा है. Okay, I hope this is clear. So weightage to controllables, this is a highly motivating slide. Controllables जो अब हमारे हाथ में है, हम लोग ये पूरा साल मेहनत करेंगे, then we can still get into these IIMs, especially if you look at it, IIM Shillong gives 100 total weightage is given to controllables. आपने GDPI अपना GWPI परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा कर लिया, आपने अपना कैट स्कोर अच्छा कर लिया, आप शिलोंग में मतलब you have a good chance to get into IIM Shillong. 80 to 99% of weightage is given by 7 IIMs to controllables. आप देख सकते हो. So this goes to show that the game is the ball is still in your court and you can still hit it out of the park, but you have to prepare well and you have to prepare consistently. Okay, so guys, I hope this is motivated you and you can go ahead and tell all your seniors or peers etc. I've told you कि अरे तुम्हारा तो कुछ होने वाला है नहीं, तुम अभी तक तो इतना मतलब पढ़ाई में अच्छे हो नहीं, अब आप अच्छे बन सकते हो और इन IIMs में आपका चांस है. Okay, so this is a highly motivational slide as well. Now, there's one question that students ask is, what about gender diversity? Guys, gender diversity 5% weightage मिलता है gender diversity में 5 or less than 5%. 5% I'm telling based on IIM Bangalore, but that is only given in the first shortlisting, not in the final selection. So इतना आपको कुछ ज़्यादा advantage नहीं मिलता है in terms of gender diversity, so you don't have to worry much about it or rely much upon it as well, both ways. Yeah, majorly I want you to rely on the controllables now, okay? And not just the IIMs, guys, a lot of other top institutes like IIFT, FMS, XLRI, MDI, okay, which offer great packages, salaries, especially FMS, जिसका ROI बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, they also rely a lot on controllables, okay? So you have a great chance. मेहनत करो इस साल अच्छे से and you can get into your dream college. So I hope this has helped you. And guys, please do press the like, share and subscribe button. Do post your questions, if any, in the comments section. Be regular to the classes. Download the app and see you all soon. Thank you, everyone. Take care.